It's never return island. People go over here to fish, hoping to catch a pike, a swimming biting doe, a snapping turtle. Billy Bob Joe lost his 4 fingers over here to a fucking snapping turtle. It's a good day to fish, boys.
Fish for the
I got my 9 caliber triple red hot iron caliber fishing rod Malibu with a AAA double hook cliff with a frog leg. And basically what you're trying to catch out here is an open mouth big bass pike. Now basically what it is, it's a 2-headed fish, and basically if one of them bites, the other obviously comes with it. It's like those twins that are born with disabilities and they have 2 heads. It's kind of like that but with a fish. And yeah, Siamese twins, it's like that but with a fish. But they got fucking big jaws in them, open mouth all the time, big chompers. I'm talking yay big. I'm talking about yay big, you know what I mean? False alarm.
Oh, Jesus!
That was an accident. That was a fucking accident.
We just spotted the long back, triple fanged OG spider red.
Thing's poisonous as fuck.
Oh, dude.
Dead shot.
Dead shot?
What the fuck is that? Dude, that's a beer! Woo! Vegetation like this, you don't know what could come out. You always got to be prepared. So you want to try and pack some heat. Try and pack a gun. It's just a little bit of pack some heat. You want to show them that you're one of them. Maybe some want a mate. Who knows? But you want to get the earth moving a little bit. Not scared. You don't want to scare the animal, but you do want to warn it and say, hey, respect your distance. Dude, did you hear that?
Oh, shit!
Dude, these mosquitoes are fucking driving me crazy, bro.
Dude,
fuck this shit!
No,
fuck
Kyle,
this
if
shit!
you ignore them, Kyle!
Fuck it!
Kyle? Yo, what the fuck? I don't even know if Kyle can swim. Kyle? Kyle? What the fuck? Come on, let's go, let's go. Cut it, cut it. Don't film this anymore, JD. Man, what a beautiful night. Beautiful night to fish, hunt. Oh! Oh, my neck! Had to do a little fishing, take my mind off Kyle. Yo, JV, are you getting this?
Yeah, dude. Holy fuck.
Come on, dude.
What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? Where the fuck have you been?
Dude, just drive. Get the camera off. Just go. Just get the fuck.
Oh, Jesus, what the
shit? Yo,
dude,
Kyle,
what the fuck?
Where's my hat?
Dude, what the
Where's
fuck?
my hat? Oh, where's your fucking
Where's my hat?
Get in the fucking boat. Get in the fucking boat. What do you mean, where's your fucking
Where's my hat?
Just get it. It's right here, dude. Calm the fuck down. Jesus Christ, where the fuck have you been?
Where's my hat?
Where the fuck?
How was the fishing trip, boys?
It was fine.
It went alright. I don't want to talk about it.